Well, this is my Africa Twin. 2016, and I bought it with a lot of accessories on, and I've added a few. So if it helps people, I'm just going to go through what accessories I've got, what's worth buying, what you can get away with buying off eBay, etc, etc, etc. The boxes. These are the Outback ones. I've got the top box and I've got both the side boxes, but they're not fitted at the minute. They're about £1,300. I think that one's left to you. Are they worth buying? I don't know. I wouldn't have them. It's just that they came with the bike. If I move around the bike, little gloves. I've just fitted them. They 25 quid or so. I had them last Christmas. But to fit these, you have to take the plastic. Sorry, you can't see anything. You have to take the plastic guards off to be able to fit them. Well worthwhile. This is a little camera mount, as you can see, holds my phone, and this one has a little on-off button. It's 12 volts wired directly down. Run the cable down through there, over the other side. That's why this bit of fairing's off. Runs down to the battery. And that's why under here there's no cover on my battery at the moment. But that's neither here nor there. Excuse me. Right, moving up. Little screen. £15 off eBay from China. Worth it. I think it might have been £13.99. It works a treat. I thought I'd try it for £13.99. You can't go wrong. If I drop that down when I'm riding, the wind noise is horrendous hitting your helmet. You don't realise how much it stops. Flick that up. £13.99. Brilliant. If you don't like it for £13.99, bin it. But I don't think you can go wrong. On the front, we've got a camera. That camera, again, 25 quid. Just an eBay one. Works fantastic. I've got the cable runs from the camera, so it's permanently on. Runs down there, cable runs down there and into my 12 volt socket. As I plug that in, my camera comes on, records everything, if anyone pulls out on me, etc, etc. Got the crash bars. I don't know how much they were already fitted on the bike. Again, they're Touratech. They're only the top half, I've not got the bottom half. Might add that extra later, I don't know. But the main thing I'm wanting to show you is, this is the DCT model, so it's automatic and you can change it, but it had the foot shifter. So when you put it in manual, you can change gears up and down with your hand as you can the normal DCT, or you can change up and down with your foot, same as on ordinary bike. It's fantastic. I don't know what make this one is. When I've looked on the internet, they're anything between £250 and £400. That's the one thing that I would say. If you're not sure about the DCT, put one of those on. You can drive it as a automatic or you can drive it as a manual, and there's no difference apart from you not pulling the clutch in. You have to remember when you change gear not to let your revs off as you would a normal bike, because it's permanent in gear. So you just change up and down like you would with a quick shifter. Fantastic. If you get a chance to try one of those, try one. I think they're well worth fitting. It also had a centre stand. Again, I don't know what make they are. This one is. They're around about £180, £200. Easy enough to put on, but I think the hardest bit is fitting the spring. People say that's a bit of a killer to get the spring on. Again, I wouldn't be without the centre stand. The back here, I've got a toolbox. The toolbox was on my old bike, so I've had to make a bracket. But the toolbox there fits inside, so my Givi, however you want to call it, boxes fit over the top. Again, £13 off eBay, £3 postage, so £16. Got yourself your toolbox. And as I'm looking at it, I think that's pretty much everything. I have got a little centre mount there that I can clip my phone onto, or I used to, but now I just use, it's a waterproof. Let me get it. Around. Bit tricky one-handed. In here, this is it. It's just a little waterproof mobile phone box, and all I've done is put in there my TomTom sat nav out in the car, so it's now waterproof. That, I'm not going to be able to do it one-handed. That just slides in. Oh, okay, maybe. That slits on there. Got my TomTom. I can plug it directly again into my 12-volt outlet. I think that, well, it is. That is an optional extra, but you can buy them £13, £20, something like that. Fit them yourself. I don't know as I'd have Honda fit one. Prices they want to charge. It's like the spotlights on the front. Do you need the spotlights on the front? The Honda ones are £750. The headlight's really good. I wouldn't bother with the spotlight. So, in summary, the things I do think are worthwhile buying is the screen, 13 quid. Winter, the mitts are really good. I think this was £13 for the little camera grabber. That's worthwhile buying. The 12-volt outlet is worth buying. And the gear shifter there, again as you can see it, is really worth buying. Then the crash bars, everything else are just all for your preference. Top box is great. Side boxes, where are the side boxes? They're up there. They're both side panniers. One side is bigger than the other side, purely because of the exhaust. Yeah, really good. But are they worth £1,300, as I've said? Maybe not. So, I hope that helps somebody. Yeah, I'll leave it with you. Thank you.